Teen Fawn sent me this bathroom cabinet for my review, and this is awesome, especially if you have a small space. And I clearly do, and this fits perfectly. So this is just under 67 inches in height, and it is 11.8 in width. It is a perfect square. So you've got that nice and small right here, so you can tuck this into any little small area. Of course, they're calling it a bathroom cabinet, but you literally can use this anywhere. So you have the two closed cabinets, which I absolutely love, so that you can tuck things away, not everything's visible. But then I do love that you have the two open ones. So obviously you can get creative and do, something fancy, but I think this is perfect for my toilet paper and my hand towels. And then inside here, you have two adjustable shelves. So you can definitely pick the heights you're looking for. There's all kinds of little holes on the side, and then you decide where you want them. So the top and bottom both have those adjustable shelving units right there. And you've got the magnets here so that when you close it, as you can hear that, hopefully you can hear that, I'm not sure, but it kind of clicks close. So it's not just going to randomly swing open. This one is that beautiful gray color, but it also comes in black.